the C7 Corvette Z06. The only car in the world that is immune to getting hated on. Reason why I say that is because for $70,000, you get a car that beats every other car in a straight line and even on a track for the price range. This gray spec, we've obviously had this car on the channel in the past. It is just so unbelievably beautiful. Got those Ninja Star aftermarket wheels on this thing. The engine fan is running because we just got done with a live stream. And if you guys don't attend the live streams, you're missing out big time. I do them every weekend on this channel. So let's hop in this thing, get some absolutely brutal downshifts going, and enjoy this drive. Engine temp is at 197, so she is warmed up and ready to go. Let's throw this thing into track mode and open up those exhaust valves. Auto rev match on, just for that pristine sound for you guys. If you want a C7 Corvette Z06, you want the best car for the price range. This thing, we have had this car on this channel multiple times now, and every time I drive it, it is, I kid you not, it's like the first time I've ever stepped in this thing. The amount of G-forces you experience is more than any car I have ever been in my life. And as long as you don't mind shifting yourself, the manual transmission is going to be the way to go. For that exact reason. Going to be able to stretch this thing's legs, it's not going to be a very enjoyable car to own. It's like sitting in jail behind bars, and right outside of the jail cell is $10 million, but you know you're never going to be able to actually get your hands on it. Agile too. The C7 Z06. It is the American dream supercar. And argue with me as much as you want, I stand by the fact that it's a supercar. Transmission C7 Z06, and I'm gonna say it every time, man. The manual takes it to the next level. It enhances the driving experience so much beyond the automatic version of the C7 Z06. And it can put the power to the ground. You're getting the 650 horsepower to the ground in second gear, all the way through second gear. Now, as you lose some of the tread on your tires, which is going to be almost inevitable, you may struggle a little bit more, but those 335s in the back, make sure when you first get the new tires and refresh them, traction's not going to be a problem for you. What a drive, guys. Let's hop out of this thing and take one last quick look around the C7 Z06. The last true Corvette. C8 Corvette's absolutely beautiful, but nothing is as good as the C7 Z06 from a Corvette heritage standpoint. Let me know what you guys think about this gray spec as well, and these wheels. Absolutely lovely, beautiful car, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments. Let me know if this is your dream car, because that's how I know to identify somebody that has a good taste in American V8 sports cars. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.